Hey guys, what's going on? Check this out. This is a 2008 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Shit, sorry, I had to sneeze. Super nice truck. Brand new wheels and tires. These are a 20 by 10 Moto Metal chrome wheel on a 33 1250 20-inch mud terrain tire. Brand new. Underside super clean. Truck's in great shape, runs and drives perfect, no issues. There's the front side right here, back side. We're at Superior Wholesalers, superiorwholesale.org. Call 540-898-3025. No cab corner rust at all. The frame is beautiful. No rust. It's from Texas, I believe. Pretty sure it's a Texas truck. Beautiful truck. It's got the fifth wheel mounting plates in the back. Blue Tech. Tailgate goes down great. No issues. Underside's clean. Wheel wells are clean. Just a little dirty, like it's got that orange dirt, Texas dirt. Interior's beautiful. Seats are in great shape. So little spot sewed up right there in the corner. Headliner's in great shape. Ice cold AC. Stereo's good. Everything works. 4-wheel drive on the floor. Windows go up, windows go down. Back seats are in great shape. Pop the hood and show you guys what's going on real quick under the hood. What the hell's it? There it is. It's got 190,000 miles on it. Whoa, there's a big wasp in there. Holy, woo! Get out of there, boy. Hold on, put the window down. Shit. Go, get out. There you go. Have a good time, buddy. Electric trailer brake controller. VIN number right there. All the tire size and all that jazz. Cab corner on this side's in great shape. No issues, no rust. Just a little dirt. Up the hood. Show you guys under there. It's currently running. 6.7 liter diesel engine. New batteries. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let us know. 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. This is the 2008 Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel with the 6.7. It's got bags in the rear too, I believe. Yep, bags in the rear. I think there's a spot you can adjust them somewhere, but anywho, let us know. Hope you guys are doing great. Take care. Happy 4th of July. Over and out.